Hi, how is it going? I'm Yoel. Nice to meet you. Hai, bagaimana kabarnya? Nama saya Yoel. Senang berkenalan dengan Anda. Welcome to Indonesian class. In this video, we're going to learn the basics Indonesian. It's only take 10 minutes. Selamat datang di kelas Bahasa Indonesia. Dalam video ini, kita akan mempelajari dasar-dasar bahasa Indonesia. Hanya perlu 10 menit. In this video, I want to share with you guys the basics you need, informal or formal ways of how to introduce yourself, Indonesian manners, and greetings. First, let's start with how to introduce yourself in informal situation. Pertama, mari kita mulai dengan bagaimana memperkenalkan diri Anda dalam situasi informal. Hi, my name is Yoel. Halo, nama saya Yoel. And now, let's see the same sentence in formal way. Good morning. Let me introduce myself. My name is Yoel Octavianus Saputra. Selamat pagi. Izinkan saya memperkenalkan diri. Nama saya Yoel Octavianus Saputra. So let's see the difference between the sentence. Informal. Halo. Nama saya Yoel. Formal. Selamat pagi. Izinkan saya memperkenalkan diri. Nama saya Yoel Octavianus Saputra. In informal ways, Indonesian people tend to use hello or hi instead of selamat pagi. In both cases of name, informal use calling name or nickname to someone friendly, while for formal use full name. For formal situation, you may add izinkan saya memperkenalkan diri, which is a polite way to introduce yourself. One more time by normal pace. Informal. Halo, nama saya Yoel. Formal. Selamat pagi. Izinkan saya memperkenalkan diri. Nama saya Yoel Octavianus Saputra. Here's some tips. Handshake and giving personal details can be a good habit to introduce yourself in Indonesia. During the last lesson, we will learn how to introduce yourself. We will learn how to use good manners in this lesson. There are a few ways to show your gratefulness. Informal. Makasih. Makasih. Usually used to have conversation with friends or family. Thanks. Makasih banyak. Makasih banyak. Makasih can be defined as thanks, while banyak can be defined as a lot. So, thanks a lot. Formal. Terima kasih. Terima kasih. Terima words can be defined to accept, kasih as a kindness. This word can be used for anytime, anywhere, anyone. Literally, you are saying it is accepted with kindness, or thank you. Terima kasih banyak. Terima kasih banyak. Thank you very much. And here's how to respond the words. Sama-sama. You are welcome. Kembali. And here's how to respond. Sama-sama. Sama. Sama. You are welcome. Kembali. Kembali. Back or return. So, kembali can be defined as thanks right back at you. In the last lesson, we learned how to use good manners. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to use common greetings for meet someone. Informal. Halo. Hi. Formal. Selamat pagi. Selamat pagi is good morning. It is used from 4 a.m. to 10 a.m. Selamat siang. Selamat siang is good afternoon. It is used from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Selamat petang or selamat sore. Selamat petang or selamat sore is good evening. It is used from 2 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. Selamat malam. Selamat malam is good night. It is used from 6:30 p.m. to 4 a.m. This word is used for part with someone. Selamat tinggal. Selamat tinggal is goodbye. Sampai jumpa. Sampai jumpa. See you. Here's some tips. Handshake and bowing your head slightly can be a good habit to start or end the conversation in Indonesia. Now it's time for learn slang in Indonesia that usually millennials use. If you think the video is useful, don't forget to like and share to your friends. And thank you for watching.